Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's recipe, I have this amazing shrimp burger recipe for you guys. This is super easy and it's absolutely delicious. This is a 10 out of 10 recipe you have to try. But before I show you guys how it's done, be sure to give this video a like if you enjoy. Also subscribe and let's get started. Alright guys, everything will be listed down below for you guys. Be sure to check that out. I am using brioche bun, 1 pound of large shrimp, all-purpose flour, green onion, and some Creole seasoning, as well as some red onion. Also, we have 2 eggs. I have mayo and hot sauce to make a beautiful sauce for this shrimp burger. I have some minced garlic as well as some lemon pepper just to add some kick, some bite to this. And also there's some seasoning that are not showing here. They will be down below. All right, now here's what I'm doing. I am leaving about 1/3 of the shrimp on the side, and the rest I am going to mince them. I am going to chop them very fine. Now you can use a food processor for this, or you can use a blender if you like, but I am using a knife. Make sure to chop them very fine until you have a ground shrimp like texture. Now I am going to transfer my shrimp into a large bowl. Also, I am going to be adding my whole shrimp in there as well. And then we're going to start seasoning this. To season, we're going to use the minced garlic. I'm going to be adding my lemon pepper. You can add lemon juice if you like. So I'm adding the lemon pepper, as well as my Creole seasoning. I have a link down below if you guys want this seasoning. It's on Amazon. You can use my link below. Also, you can use Slap Your Mama Cajun seasoning if you don't want to use the Creole seasoning. Also, I added some paprika for color and a little bit more ground black pepper. Now you're going to mix that together just like that until everything is well mixed with the seasoning. To help the shrimp hold itself together, we're going to make a binder. I am using 2 eggs and also will be adding some flour in there as well. I am going to crack the egg and whisk it together. Then we're going to pour it into our shrimp. Now I am going to add my flour to form my patty. Don't add too much flour all at once, just add it gradually. If you need more, just add more. You know how sometimes you go to a restaurant, you want some shrimp burger, all you get is a bunch of fillers, vegetables, you barely get any shrimp. We don't want to add too much flour to this. We don't want to make, you know, flour burger. We want a shrimp burger, so keep the flour very lightly. So I'm going to add the flour gradually. As you guys can see, I took off my glove because it was in the way of me making this burger. And do not come for me, my hands are nice and clean and brushed. Okay, thank you very much. So I'm going to form my burgers. It doesn't really have to be too big, just don't make it too thin. Make sure you flatten it, so once, you know, when you're cooking it, so the inside can cook a little bit faster. Okay. Now to a skillet, I am going to pour about half a cup of vegetable or peanut oil, by the way, so sorry. I'm going to pour some peanut oil in there. Once that is nice and hot, you are going to place your shrimp burgers in there. We're going to cook them for about 4 to 5 minutes per side, and once it's nice and golden brown on one side, I am going to flip it over, allow the other side to cook for another 4 to 5 minutes. All right, now our 4 minutes is up. We are going to flip it over, and you should have a nice crispy crunchy shrimp burger. On the outside is crunchy, on the inside is nice and, you know, meaty and soft and delicious. Okay, so we're going to let another 4 minutes pass by and take these out and add the remaining of the burgers. All right, I have decided to toast my bun, so I am going to add some butter to a skillet. Once it's nice and hot, you are going to place your bun in there. Make sure to add the butter because you don't want to burn the bun. And once they're nice and golden brown, they are ready. Just remove them. Now here's how I make the sauce. Okay, I am going to add some mayo, and then I am also going to be adding some lemon juice in there as well. And also I am going to add my hot sauce and give that a quick mix. Now you can add the hot sauce to your liking and give that a quick mix and mix it, taste it. If you like it, you can add more hot sauce if you want. And basically this is the sauce for the burger. It's perfect. Now I make it a little bit runny because I like the look of it once I'm done plating the food and stuff, but you can make it a little bit more thicker if you like. And also I decided to add some avocado to it. Okay, those are the ingredients that I told you guys that are not showing, but it will be down below. So I'm going to add some avocado on top. Oh my goodness, this is so yummy. Now it's time to put our burger together. I added the shrimp patty, then I am going to add some red onion. They're so flavorful, especially on burgers. And also I'm going to add another layer of the shrimp patty, and I am going to be adding some onions, avocado, and drizzle that amazing sauce that we made. How amazing is this? I am going to garnish with the remaining of the green onion, and there you have it, the most flavorful, amazing homemade shrimp burger recipe. and you know I had to bite through this. It was so juicy, so flavorful. I'm not even gonna say this is restaurant style. This is way better, okay? Because it's made with love. It's amazing. You have to try it. Trust me. This is a 10 out of 10. Would recommend. Thank you so much for watching today's recipe. I hope you enjoy it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new here, be sure to subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next recipe. Bye guys.